Hello? Howdy. Howdy.
Honey, the new neighbor invited you over for a drink at 8 tonight. I said you'd go.
You don't know my schedule.
You sit there every night. Might be nice to have a pal, you know, a bud.
Hey guys, this is my neighbor Craig. He's the best.
I was just spiraling. I mean, I see the way the guys look at her. I'm scared.
Sheila's lucky to have a dad like you.
Boy, you should know that I've got you on my mind, your secret admirer. I've been watching you at night. I think of you. I want to be your baby.
If your game is on, give me a call, boo. If your love is strong,
I can see the future. It's full of pals. I'm on the edge of life, and the view is gorgeous.
Look, we had a couple of really nice hangs, but I think it best that we go our separate ways. I don't wish to continue this friendship.
You all accepted me way too fast. You can't do that. You made me feel too free. People need rules.
You should be dead, you psycho! Who are you?
Give me a second chance. Get to know me.
There's a new Marvel out that's supposed to be nuts. We should go see that.
Itinuturing na likas na yaman ng isang bansa, ang langis. Kaya malaking balita nang may madiskubring langis sa isang bahagi ng Cebu. Kinumpirma na ito ng Department of Energy at umaasang mapapakinabangan ito ng ating bansa. Nakatutok si Tricia Zafra.
Ito ang Barangay Olango sa bayan ng Aloginsan, isang 4th class municipality sa Cebu. Pero sa bulubunduking barangay na ito, nadiskubreng may natatago palang yamang langis matapos ang mahigit 9 na taong exploration. Napatunayan ng Australian company na Gas2Grid Limited na meron ngang langis sa bahaging ito ng Visayan Basin.
That's on a 1/4-inch chunk.
Sa kuha ng Gas2Grid noong nakaraang taon, makikita ang gas flare. Malakas at tuloy-tuloy ang buga ng apoy. Patunay raw na may langis nga sa Barangay Olango. Kinumpirma ito ng Department of Energy.
We are happy with the discovery because it shows that there is really a potential for possible commercial oil research in Cebu.
Pero wag daw munang magdiwang dahil hindi pa tiyak kung mapapakinabangan ito.
We still need to do a lot of work, like doing additional appraisal work or drilling work, studying further the data that was gathered from the drilling, testing the oil for its quality, if it can be refined in our refineries in the Philippines, and most important to find out how big the reserves are.
Sa initial na drilling, 100 to 200 barrels of oil per day o BOPD ang nagmumula sa oil well sa Cebu. Maliit daw ito kung ikukumpara sa 300,000 BOPD na daily demand ng langis ng Pilipinas.
We discovered oil in Manigin Island a few years ago. The oil becomes waxy when it is exposed to the atmosphere. We do not yet have the technology how to produce that oil. Hopefully in the future, technology will be developed.
Kaya naman pinalawig ng DOE ang kontrata ng gas to grid ng isa pang taon, tinatayang kalahati hanggang $1 milyong ang proyekto.
The Philippine government doesn't actually spend a single cent in the exploration. Assuming it gets into commercial production, the Philippine government gets 60% of the net profit. So this is really a very good endeavor for the Philippine government.
Sa ngayon, tanging ang Galloc Field sa Hilagang Palawan ang commercial oil producer ng Pilipinas. Bagamat 10,000 barrels kada araw ang nagagawa nito, hindi ito nagagamit sa bansa dahil hindi raw compatible sa ating refineries. Ang bagong diskubring langis sa Cebu malapit sa komunidad, kaya umaasa ang lokal na pamahalaan ng Cebu na mabibigyan ng trabaho kalaunan ang mga residente roon at bumuti ang kanilang mga buhay. Tresha Zafra,